How's it going? So basically we're leaving my house now. So if you're still gonna come through when you get back, we basically head up Bainskloof Pass until we get to like a campsite type thing at the bottom. Door, I think it's called. And then we park down there, basically walk down to the river, and then our plan is just to walk up the river, so back towards where you drove. And then yeah, we'll just be messing around there however far we get. So if you're gonna come join us, then good luck.
This is not a vlog. Okay, maybe it is. We went from here to doing a liquid fruit photo shoot under a waterfall. Here's what went down.
No, you need your ID, they check it at the border.
Excuse me?
Yeah. There, when we cross into Namibia.
No, like, can I actually put it away?
No, they check it at the border.
No, like,
Yes.
Yeah, that's what's called eerste en tweede tol, because it's like a toll game.
oh, are you actually in there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh. Are you guys? I'm sorry.
So we're going for a bit of a hike in Bainskloof today. Came down to where the campsites are and then kind of decided just to have a bit of a walk up and see what we could find.
And Matt's decided to take the deepest routes.
So deep and so wet.
Water's not wet!
Yeah, luckily the rocks instead of the water.
Because walking on land is difficult.
Yeah, it's so hard. Team dry versus team wet. Oh, okay, I've checkmated myself here, but I will find a way through the bushes. Maddie, go straight through the middle of the water like you always do.
We'll go straight through the middle of the water.
I know. Practicing for his DMs. Oh, there goes Maddie, going deep. Oh, now I'm gonna slip on my ass too. The vlog life chose me, guys. Kills for the girls, buys for the guys.
Out in the first round, I didn't know. I hold on to you, this might be a bit rough. I should have known, I should have seen.
Whoa.
That look in your eyes is not letting me in. I can't believe this body's fine. I'm outside. It doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing. Heart is beating. I'm waiting for the eclipse. The consequences of it. Why do we keep falling down? When it's always the affected ground. We got time to make this right. But it's hard we keep falling down.
So we found a bit of a small waterfall here. Keen to take some photos.
That's freezing. But that's good.
Yeah,
You gonna push me, you gonna push me.
I'm not. Use the GoPro. For the vlog. Good for the video. Yeah.
Vlog footage. Some vlog footage, yes.
So they came from up there.
Prepared to get wet. Okay, but like, will it touch my belly?
Yeah. Yeah. What? We're out in the wilderness. No, I'm scared, guys. How long are you getting left? This is high. Woo. Jump or no jump? Guys, crowd says jump. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Do you remember our first touch? When I look at you now, an adrenaline rush. We're always looking for something more. We're closer to the edge than ever before. I can't believe this body's mine. I'm inside. It doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing. Heart is beating. I'm waiting for the eclipse and the consequences of it. Why do we keep falling down? When there's always been victim ground. We got time to make this right. By the time we keep falling down.
And that's it for today. Like, share.
Oh, God, push. Okay. I'm not gonna give birth. Woo. Getting there. Getting there.
Point out that.
Sorry, what?
You okay?
I'm fine, land on my ass, but like I'm good. Yeah, let's chill. Like form down is a lot worse.